How to create a Pinterest vision board. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how you can create a Pinterest vision board to manifest everything that you've been dreaming of. So let's get into it. This video is going to be really interesting for you guys, and it's actually a really fun process to do if you love to create vision boards, if you want to be that person who actually likes to manifest, create boards like this, likes to read words of affirmation, then this video is for you. And the process is going to be for free. There's no paid app or anything difficult to do here. All you need to do is just have a Pinterest account, and you will be able to create a very professional and a good looking vision board. So actually, let's get into the process and I'll explain everything. First of all, what you need to do is you're going to go to Pinterest.com and you will land right here. Now on Pinterest, we have all of these different images. It's a search engine and a social media too. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're just going to go to the search bar here at the top and you're going to search for vision board inspiration, because getting inspiration is going to be very helpful and it will give us an idea that how to create a board and what boards are being created or what is trending and everything. So I have opened up these vision boards you can see here. So I'll get my inspiration and then we'll get to the work. So it depends on you what kind of board you want to create. If you're creating something for your business, then of course you can do that. If you want to create an aesthetic board, you can create that. If you want to add words, you can. If you want to go with images, you can do that. For me personally, I'm kind of like digging this one right here, because what's happening is here we also have the text, and I kind of like words of affirmation as well in my vision board as well as the image, right? So you can see we can go with some of the text here, and then of course we have the images. Make sure to select a theme first, a color theme, because we don't want to go for random images. We need to stick with the theme. Then we can go with the text as well. If you're creating, let's say, a vision board for your new year, then you can go with the word here. If you have like a new semester, if you have like a new term, anything you want to, you can add the text here. All right. So once you got your inspiration, now you know what we need. We need a lot of images, and Pinterest of course has a lot of images, and it will provide us all the images we're looking for. For me, I'm gonna be creating, let's say, a vision board for my New Year's that involves a lot of traveling, a lot of positivity, and then working out, maybe mostly around traveling. That's what I am kind of like visioning, and I want to create that. So for that, I will just simply go to the search bar here, and I'm gonna search for travel. You can go with some of the more specific word. We'll get into that, but first I'm just going to go with the word travel. So in travel, now I have a lot of different images available. So I'm liking this one right here, which is like a simple passport image, which is giving me a lot of, to be honest, a lot of like, motivation to get my passport out too and make, and go somewhere. So I'm gonna save this image. All you need to do now is you will have to just find the right images that speak to you. Click on these three dots on a pin. Click on download image. That's your job. That's it. You can see the image will be downloaded. So this is my first image for my vision board. Now I'll scroll down and now we're going to find another image. So for that, I can now go with, okay, we have a money image here. Of course, I'll need to make more money. So I think adding a money image is also a pretty good idea. And this one actually looks pretty good. So I'm going to click on and download image. There you go. Scroll down to, let's say we have a car here, we have friends. Okay, I do want to travel with my friends, so what I will do is I'll go with traveling with friends. All right, so here we have now some of the images. Okay, the images look pretty good. I'm gonna scroll down to find the right image, and now we will just download. Now, if I want to travel to a specific city and I'm kind of like want to go there, any specific, maybe I want to travel to beaches or something like that. So I'll just search for that and then I'll just download the images. So now I will download up to, I think, 20 to 30 images. That's what you need to keep in mind to download. Just find the images that you want to. You will just type in the word right here at the top and Pinterest will give you the images. You will find the images. You don't need to go anywhere. So you will just type in the word here and download 20 to 30 images. So that's what I will do now. All right, so I have downloaded some of the images here. You can see at the bottom here, I have downloaded all of these images, and you can see I'm kind of like going with this orange theme for my vision board, and I downloaded all of these different images and text images as well. So once the images are downloaded, you have downloaded all of the images that you wanted, and you have like up to 20 to 30 images, you're good to go. Now we need to go to another software. So what you need to do is you're going to go to canva.com. Canva.com is an online designing tool that allows you to edit videos, photos, you can create presentations, you can create logos, and much, much more. It's completely free. You can literally go to canva.com and you'll be able to get started. You can also sign in with your Google account. There is a Canva Pro available, but you can do this with the free version. So once you get to canva.com here, now it depends on you that what size you want. So you can go to the custom size here and you can select the size of your pixels, length and width with the custom size here. But for me, I like to go with the full width. So what I do is I'll just search for a wallpaper so that it's complete. So I have opened up the custom size. So I went with 1920 by 180, and this is the size. This is actually a desktop wallpaper size. So this is our main canvas within our Canva. If you are completely new here, so let me actually quickly show you. We have design here, we have elements, brand hub, uploads, text, draw, and more. So what you need to do is you're just going to go to the upload section here. You can see this is upload. This is where we upload the images and the videos that we want to add right here. So I'll go to the images section, click on upload files, and this is where I will select all of the images that we just downloaded. So I'm just going to go to my downloads here, and you can see these are all of the images that I just downloaded. So I'll select them all and open. So it'll just take like a minute to upload all of these, like few seconds. You can see the orange images are uploading. Okay, so the images are uploaded right here. You can see these are all of the images. Now I will actually just zoom in a little bit. There you go. So all you need to do now is just add all of the images here. So you can drag and drop as well, or you can just select the image. So I'll just start adding the images like this and place them here. I'll actually make them a little bit smaller because we have a lot of images like this. You can see we'll just place them here like so. Make them a little bit smaller. Make an image smaller really easily. You just select it and then you get all of the different directions. There you go, like this. And you don't need to add them like this side by side. We will upload like one over the other so that it gives us this beautiful vibe. So there you go. So I'll place this one here and just upload all of the images. There you go, like this. I have some of the text ones too. There you go. Then the money image, let's place it here like this. So you can see what I am doing here. I'm just uploading all of the images and placing them here. This one here, which is a text. So I'll just place it here. There you go. You can see it's coming to life. Okay. So all I'm doing now is just upload these images and add them here. There you go. So you can see this is how I'm doing. If you want to send any image in the background, you can just click on these three dots and then you can set it as a background or you can send it in the background. And there you go. This way you will add all of the images and now you can see it looks much better. I have added all of the images and it's giving me this vision board that has like, money. Then we have some of the, dresses, inspiration. Then we have some of the, text here. For instance, this one here. Then we have the beaches, the sunset, and it's actually giving me the vision that I wanted to. And it's, giving me the motivation. This is how we create a vision board. You can see it looks amazing. So it's actually really easy to do. Now what you can do is you can actually go to the elements, and if you want to like make it more pop out, you can add the text by yourself too. If you don't want to go with the text images like this, you can go to the text section, and you can see we have a lot of different these type of text available that you can add right here. Then you can go to the elements. For instance, if I search for, let's say, orange butterflies, there you go. You can see we have these graphics. So I'm going to click on see all. And you can see we have these butterflies that are graphics I can place on my board like so. You can see this gives it a more visual effect, like a 3D effect. You can see it looks amazing. So this way I can add like butterflies on my vision board, and then I can do a lot more. I can add flowers and different decoratives. So once your vision board is created, all you need to do is you're going to click on the share option here, and in share you're going to click on download. Now you can download it as a PNG, like an image, or if you want to print this, then you will download it as a PDF standard. So I'll just click on download as PNG, and my vision board will be downloaded. This is how you can create as many vision boards as you want with Pinterest. You can go to Pinterest and search for the right images, the right, text. All of the images are available. Pinterest is packed with millions of different images, aesthetic images for your vision boards. So now you know how to get started and how to create a vision board using canva.com for free. So this is our vision board right here. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.